Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of threads and we go here to this application. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you.